Today is Saturday. Ito yung Saturday na sinasabi ko sa inyo na pinaghahandaan ko last time. Just watch the vlog. So today is the reckoning day. And to be honest, hindi ko natapos yung yung target reading ko nung previous episode kasi sobrang haba niya. Sa kodal ang kapal na niya. And all of it you need to memorize. Anyway, we'll find out later kung nangaba or nakaligtas sa recitation. So class just ended and for today's episode, we have a valuable lesson. Everything doesn't just go as planned. Man, this subject is just one unit. It's very difficult due to the time constraints. My first time na maging prof ko to, kaya I don't know her style and the subject itself. I can give so many factors, but things just doesn't go as planned. Woo! Stress! Anyway, on the brighter side, since it's a Saturday, pahinga muna ako, reflect lang. And I'm on my way to pick up my brother. Kaming ngayon episode because
One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one. One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do.
today is a special episode. We'll be trying out a food review. So we'll be reviewing 3 chickens. One from Jollibee, one from KFC, and one in McDonald's. All spicy chicken. I'm here with my brother, JR.
Yo.
And as for me, if you're gonna ask me, I like spicy chicken. Do you like spicy chicken?
No. Nope.
I know. Okay, sweet. This will be a comprehensive review. For our first dish, we'll be trying the chicken joy of Jollibee. So yeah, we divided the thing. Gravy, chicken. Wait, I think I'll just get this part.
I'm just gonna enjoy this part. Testing.
Go. Reverse.
Wait. I should have got water first.
Go ahead. Nakakangan ka agad.
It's just the first chicken in my goodness.
Is that with the gravy? The first bite? No
No.
gravy yet, right? Nakakang siya. You know what I've noticed?
Well,
If you will compare it to the regular chicken joy, I think this one is a bit dry na, no?
yeah.
I don't... You're just chomping it off. You gotta focus on the chicken.
Yeah.
So next up, KFC! Again?
Yeah.
I'll just get the half of
Yeah,
it.
just get it.
I won't finish it anyway. Okay, there you
I'm hungry.
go. Okay.
Let's get Jollibee.
There we go. This one is juicier? Farina now. Look at that. The taste? Yeah, for me. Yeah, next up, chicken McDo.
Go.
Alright. Chicken McDo, first bite, JR.
Screw me, right? I really don't like that aftertaste.
Hindi kaya sira na to? Sira?
Hopefully not.
Is this okay? Like,
That's probably
is that salmonella?
hopefully not. Yeah, probably. Go ahead, knock yourself out. Is it all the gravy? Might as well compare 3 of those.
Cannot compare the gravy since we tasted all of the chicken.
Why not?
KFC.
There you go.
Next one, Jollibee. So sweet.
Yeah, that's sweet.
That's so sweet. Look. Okay, that's my favorite. That's just sad. Okay, obviously from our reaction, JR, you first. What's your preferred gravy out of the 3?
You know, it's a hard decision.
Now, if you have a choice, which one
If
would
I had
you
a
choose?
choice, I guess I'll go for KFC.
I think I'll go for KFC. McDonald's is bland and I think it's already spoiled. It's that bad. Jollibee's good, but it's just too sweet right now by itself, no? You
Yeah.
need to mix it with the rice.
KFC.
For KFC, kaya pala ginagawang ulam yan. That explains it. It's good because you actually can taste the chicken. Because, oh yeah, fun fact, did you know that the gravy for KFC, you see that? Yeah, it's all chicken. So we will conclude the chicken in the following way. First is the price. For Jollibee, how much was it?
That's probably 150.
Less than
That's for
150
two
pesos.
piece.
That's for 2-piece chicken, and price was 144 pesos. 2-piece chicken, a la carte, no soft drinks. With the drinks for 2-piece chicken, it's 167 pesos. The crispiness and juiciness, 1 being the lowest, 5 being the highest.
Give it a 4.
Mine is only around 3.
3.
I'll give it a 4.
3.
For me, it's a 2. See the red
Yeah.
spot? It's not good. The spiciness.
3. 4.
3 to 4. Mine is, I think it's the spiciest. I'll give it around a 4. That's 3.5. You?
Oh, we're putting decibels in there?
Yeah.
3. I didn't like it at all. Give it a 1.
I'm gonna give it also a 1. I don't know. I think the one they serve us was overcooked. The spiciness, it has a bad aftertaste.
Oh, trust me, it's not overcooked.
Regardless of all the ratings, if you have the money to buy, which one would you choose? If your choice is only spicy chicken,
Do yourself a favor and get KFC.
yeah, I'll get a KFC too. By the way, nice ice cream. It's dessert. Okay, that concludes today's episode. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And yeah,
How is it?
just stop the
Just-
camera.
just-
Okay.
Numbers is the
You were saying earlier, a rock.
Yeah, the thing is